If I told you that doing just 1 minute of plank every day could change your life, would you believe me? Here's the shocker. Studies show a single minute of plank daily can ignite fat loss, boost core strength, and even increase longevity. But is that minute really enough? Or is it just another TikTok myth dressed up as a fitness hack? Stick around. The truth may surprise you. Before we answer whether 1 minute of planking is enough, let's quickly understand what makes this move so special. The plank is more than just an ab exercise. It's a full-body isometric hold that activates your shoulders, glutes, legs, and deep core. Muscles, those same muscles that support your spine, posture, and balance. A well-executed plank works over 20 muscles at once. That's not just a workout. That's a battle cry for your entire body to wake up and transform. Let's talk science. Researchers from the American Council on Exercise found that holding a proper plank for even 60 seconds boosts muscle endurance and metabolic rate. Your body continues to burn calories even after the plank is done, thanks to a phenomenon called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOC. Now imagine doing this every single day. 1 minute, every day. No equipment, no excuses. But wait, we're just scratching the surface. Here's where most people get it wrong. Planking does not directly burn belly fat. Shocking, right? Fat loss doesn't work like a laser. You can't target it. But here's the catch. Consistent planking builds core strength, which supports every fat-burning movement you do. Squats, deadlifts, even walking. It's not about replacing cardio or weightlifting. It's about amplifying it. So if you've been skipping planks, you might be skipping the foundation of your transformation. Let's meet Sarah from California. Just 42 years old, busy mom of 3, and never stepped in a gym. She started doing 1-minute planks each morning. In 3 months, better posture, tighter waist, and an energy shift she couldn't explain. Then there's Mike from Toronto, office worker, always glued to his chair. He made 1-minute planks his midday ritual. 60 seconds of focus every day. He calls it a mental reset with physical benefits. Let's be honest. Most people mess up their plank without even realizing it. Are your hips sinking? Is your neck craned like a giraffe? Are you holding your breath like you're underwater? These mistakes rob you of results. And worse, they can cause injury. Here's what you need instead. A straight line from head to heel, core braced like someone's about to punch you, and deep, calm breathing. So how do you get the most from that 1 minute? Start with form, always, then build progression. Forearm planks, side planks, plank jacks, shoulder taps. Suddenly, 1 minute becomes a full-on challenge. And here's the kicker. Try a plank ladder, 10-sec hold, 5-sec rest. Repeat. Simple, brutal, effective. Fitness isn't about hacks, it's about consistency. The 1-minute plank is not magic, it's a gateway. 1 minute of commitment can spiral into a morning routine, a mindset shift, and eventually, a lifestyle transformation. It's not just fat loss. It's the discipline you build, the resilience you develop, and the confidence you rediscover. In a 30-day plank challenge, most people report improved posture, reduced back pain, a tighter waist, and renewed energy. But the real change? It's psychological. Every day, you prove to yourself, I show up, I finish what I start. That's how habits stick. That's how transformations begin. So, is 5 minutes of plank a day enough? Alone, it won't give you six-pack abs. But it's more than enough to start a revolution in your body and mind. Now it's your turn. Hit like if this inspired you. Subscribe for more real, science-backed fitness wisdom. And if you're ready to take this further, tap the video on your screen right now, Healthy Habits That Actually Work. It's your next step to a healthier, stronger life.